Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Centrum Men multivitamin and protein. Centrum Men is designed to support your overall health with a blend of 24 key vitamins and minerals. It helps maintain energy levels, supports immune function, and aids in muscle health. For optimal benefits, simply take 1 tablet each day with a meal, such as breakfast or lunch, to ensure proper absorption. Protein is a vital macronutrient, essential for muscle repair, growth, and maintaining a feeling of fullness throughout your day. For many men, a good target is around 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight daily, depending on activity levels. You can get protein from lean meats, dairy, and legumes, or supplement with protein powders, which are convenient for boosting your intake. Using Centrum Men multivitamin alongside your protein intake offers a comprehensive approach to men's health. The multivitamin ensures you get essential micronutrients, while protein builds and repairs tissues. A great strategy is to take your multivitamin with your largest meal, like breakfast, and spread your protein intake across several meals and snacks, including a shake after exercise for recovery. To maximize the benefits, always follow the specific dosage instructions on your product labels. Remember, supplements are meant to complement, not replace, a balanced diet rich in whole foods. Staying hydrated and engaging in regular physical activity are also crucial. Before adding any new supplements to your routine, it is always wise to consult with a healthcare professional to ensure they are right for you.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.